Hey guys, we're back again, and we're gonna talk about why a man and a girl will never be good friends. It's always something else. So, first of all, I'm gonna say that I've talked to a lot of guys and girls in the past. Some I tried to be friends with. Some girls were there for marriage perspectives, potential partners, and there is no such personality which is left out, which I have not spoken with. I have talked to almost all the personality types and all the type of girls and the dynamics, the type of talks they do, the situations they create, and everything else. And I would say, of all of them, the ones which were really bothering were the ones who had a lot of trauma, the ones who are angry, they speak lies, they hide many facts. There is a lot of overly enthusiastic and then higher highs and lower lows in emotions. Girl who asks a lot of questions, shit test. They ask questions just to get an answer and then they will feel better about it. They'll ask questions like, do you think girl should be boss? Do you think girl should be having more money? Anything, any kind of question which a girl asks just to get a validation, just to get an approval. See, nothing is going to work. These questions are based on past traumas which has erupted due to wrong connections. The ones which I won't talk about the names now, but the ones which I talked had deep rooted sexual issues. They had sex with guys which they shouldn't have. They were bad guys who promised something to them, maybe a long relationship at the cost of sex and all, and it never happened. And they went on to cheat other men, girls. And such girls are hurt, deeply hurted. They have a lot of emotional wounds and which they want to fix, and they cope using wrong ways. I've had numerous instances where I know actually how they cope. They try to, I won't talk about the way, but I just want to let you know, if you're a girl who is watching this and you go through this, you do not trust men, you hate men for saying something, you are more better. You are more divine. It is hidden inside you. You just have covered it with the traumatic things which you have seen, which has happened to you from the relationships which you have been. You are the divine goddess. It's hidden inside you, but it won't come up until you talk to that inner child of yours, and until at a certain age. Post 30, yeah, same kind of girl which is hating the guys, hating the men, is gonna be a different reaction to men post 30. Yeah. So if you are a girl who have had bad past and all, don't worry, just modulate your behavior, and with age it's gonna be better for you. Trust me. Just I know it's difficult. It's difficult, man. There is a video playlist which I have, borderline personality disorder. I'm an IT guy. My job is to create projects, automation, RPA, Python, coding, create instances in multiple databases, and create apps, chatbots. These things I do. Why would I study psychology? And I've taken a deep depth. There's a video which I've made, how to raise a daughter. I'm so much proud of that video. It's 1 hour long. Can you imagine it? There is no such content nowhere available. So do visit it, and it's gonna be okay. You just have to give time to yourself. It's gonna be okay. I know you will trigger, some things will trigger you. Just find some time, and there will be guys, there will be men out there who would just be respectful and nice towards you. There are. You just have to, first of all, cleanse yourself, and then you will see that. Okay, so man and a female can still never be friends because the sexual part is going to come and it's going to mess you up. But there is something else to that. Yes, the thing is, in the past, I've had a lot of friends who were married, the girls who were married, and married females. I just treat them as God. They are God. If you find a married female as a friend, she is God. She is divine. She will protect you. She will take care of you. Any guy who says you are a simp, hey you, I a simp, you are talking like that. Just let them do that, man. Guys get jealous. Guys are fucking animals. A guy goes ahead in his hierarchy by creating a conflict, by destroying other men. That's how they go ahead. That's how they find the mates. Check any animalistic behavior. Even deer to rabbits to tigers to lions, they all try to kill other men to get a mate. So it's a normal behavior in humans to disqualify. Disqualification works in male. So yeah, my point is that if the only kind of female which for a single man, you, which is going to be a best friend forever, it's going to be a married female. Yeah, I've had a lot of married female as friends, good friends, and they protect, they save, they are life saviors. If you are in a depressed drench, she will pull you out. She is gonna take care of you. She is gonna protect you from so many people. She's gonna protect you from other girls as well. Yeah, and there will be guys who will be jealous of that. They will be jealous that you are being friends with a married female. Don't bother about that. Relax about it. And if a married female tells her husband that this is my friend, good, more better. See, the way your interaction will happen is she eventually will confess or say that yeah, I'm married. Usually happens. Accept the fact. Confide in the married female and make her a good friend. Yeah, maybe have lunch with them. You can find them anywhere, at your workplace, at your neighborhood, in your school, college, teacher, wherever the community group it is. For a single man, see, as a man, you still want to be friends with the female, and the married female is going to be the biggest, strongest person as your friend. She is gonna show you such a perspective which, see, as a man, you can think better than them. I agree. But you will have overestimated many things. She is gonna give you a practical estimation of much things. The advice, the perspective, the female perspective which you cannot think because there is sex in your mind, she's gonna give you that. She is gonna tell you about so many other females. She's gonna speak so many things which she is aware, but she won't just say that like that. She always maintain that decorum, but she's aware of all the females. Yeah, she could tell you many things which you are not even aware of about other females in the group or anywhere else. She will protect you in that situation. So if you find somebody who is married and who is willing to be your friend, be her friend for your lifetime. That's the type of person who will actually be who will actually say sorry to you, who would literally be very good friends for a long time, man. Yeah, they know a lot, they are better, they talk a lot to other females as well. A man never talks to that much to even guys, but a female talks a lot. She's much more aware in any frame of, even if world is collapsing, she would have a lot of things as information, and a man will not have. So never disqualify a married female, respect her, and you will be safe. See, you can't do that with a single girl. Nah. Never happens. With a married female, you can confide and be so much good friends. Find that girl and be her friend,